We're back, boy. We're back at the setup first time this week. Let's get into what we see. So, the higher time frame, we're obviously bearish. Hourly, 4 hour, bearish. We don't really have many high time frame draws to the downside. I mean, I could throw on the, well, how far away are we from these? Let's see. Yeah, no point of even putting those on. Higher time frames bearish. We have draws in both directions. We have a couple stacked low resistance lows lining with London lows on both indexes. And then we have London highs up here. I think these lows are much more achievable with the bearish trend, but I think it could go either way. Honestly, I'm gonna go into the market with a bearish bias, but it can easily flip, you know? Market has to show intent. It wants to go lower with like a strong 5-minute close, so it would have to look like down, and then we close like down here, retrace in like a gap or something, and then rotate down from there. Versus we could just come down here, sweep out these lows, and then want to rotate higher, retrace bam. So I think it could go either way, just because of where the draws are at, because there's not really strong draws in either direction. But yeah, that's my bias. I got eaten fucking alive, dude. I got eaten alive by mosquitoes last night. Fucking hell. Gotta remember I'm on the actual moon queue. Market just opened. Oh, my back is itchy from mosquito bites. Alright, so market's open. We're low-key making a bullish SMT and playing into that bullish scenario. So, boys, I'm bullish here. For real, LOL on G, baby. As long as the 5-minute closes bullish on ES. So we got break structure on ES, 5 minutes of line. So we don't have a clear high time frame bias, but then the 5 minutes are aligned. So that checks off our first checklist, and then we also got the liquidity sweep of those 15-minute lows towards a couple strong draws, and that would have happened recently. So that would give us our first 3 check marks on the list, and those are the most important 3 check marks. A lot of water already. Pumpkin, ES, you have to close above the high. You have to. This is not a joke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Fucking hell. If you close above this, though, that will break 1 minute structure and then be perfect for a retrace. So you gotta come up. Come up, bubby. Okay, 20 seconds, probably not gonna do it. I have to wait a whole nother 5 minutes if you just don't want to do it. Close above the highs, you fucking dick. Okay, we gotta wait a whole nother 5 minutes. Why? Because the time frames aren't aligned. And also, what's unfortunate is like, yeah, I understand that we closed so far above these highs, but technically right now, it is still a valid bearish SMT, even though it probably will get invalidated. I mean, this will be fine for NQ if we break on this candle, because I'm gonna leave a 5 minute imbalance. I just gotta wait and see what happens in 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. 400 billion wiped out of gold and silver. Or what is XAU? XU. Fuck, what is gold? That's cap. I knew it was that. I don't even know what I'm looking at, honestly. Just looks like fucking consolidation work. Let's make this. I mean, there's no like real resistance, bro. There's a 4-hour resistance. Yeah, I guess this whole thing kind of aligns a little bit. It's not really strong though. We kind of hit this resistance right here at these bodies. We have to break out. If we close above the 65.2, then we'll meet resistance at like 67. If we break out of that, bro, we can probably pump all the way like high as shit. So if we break out above this level, like if we get a little bam bam closure, like 70, that will like be so fucking golden. And then price will find strong resistance at 80. Alright, minute to see if we'll break. Oh, I didn't even check Forex Factory. Hold on. That shit's nothing. It's not real FOMC. Come on. We gotta pump. Gotta pump right now. 30 seconds. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell, dude. We didn't break. You're a dick. You know that? You know that? Yes, you're a fucking dick. That's what you are. Whatever. It's stronger confirmation if we close above this high because it shows momentum. Slam my computer with the dude. These mosquito bites are so fucking itchy. Let's not go ahead and take out our drop. Yo, dude, what is this wick? If we don't break structure on ES, I'm gonna shoot someone. Dude, come on, please just break structure. We have a minute to see if we'll break. Honestly, it looks bad for the break because this price already made this little retrace. Alright, we'll break here. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Finally broke structure. Can remove this. Let's get a 5-minute retrace, which breaks 1 minute structure to the downside. So let's close below this low on NQ, and then we can close above this high. Will be kind of a shitty RR, but gotta make do with what the market's giving us. Alright, we can't do this though. Yo, we can't do this though. Ugh, not good, boys. We have so many stacked highs to the upside though. We have a couple 5-minute gaps. This is our, oh no. Don't leave without me. Small bearish SMT potentially. Could bring us a little bit lower in the short term. It's not looking good for a retrace, boys. Not looking good for a retrace. I mean, yes, we still have other highs even if we take this one, but bro, it makes it so much lower confidence. We're already way overextended, bro. We haven't got one 5-minute down candle. no 1 minute gap there. There's definitely no one there.
Okay, I did take a loss here first, and I was okay with it. So when you broke this 1 minute, I was okay with taking this loss, and here's why. Because I knew I still had the conviction in the same draw at a high. So I knew, like, okay, if I take this loss, I'm just going to take another opportunity to get back in, and then hopefully, you know, hit the same draw. Okay? And what happened was it lost. I was okay with that because we sold the same draw. And then I saw the light bulb candle over the 2 minute inversion, and I slapped it. You know, it hit the hard stop. I don't have a hard stop because that's how lost it was. Didn't get out because we didn't close below the candle. Okay, and luckily I was sized down enough to not care, you know, if I lost that. And picked it off open. So yeah, we're done 3 days in a row. Really good start to the week. 3-0 or well, 3. Final destination.
Alright, let's go through the checklist again. Nope. Clear eye time frame bias? No, but are 5 minutes aligned? Yes. We're at 5 minute bullish on both. Liquidity sweep on high time frame, low time frame, or FEG fill / manipulation towards a strong draw recently? Yes. We got the sweep of all these, made a bullish S&P, and then we broke 5 minute structure out of it on both indexes. 5 minute change or 5 minute high percent, yeah, we changed. 5 minute retrace, that's what we're getting right now, and we might have to enter on that inverse, but the 1 minute's won't align. I'll just put that there. 1 minute confirmation on both indexes, yeah, we'll have to wait for that. We already got the 5 minute retrace because we broke 1 minute structure to the downside on both indexes. Chop work, no. Is it CPI, NFP, or FOMC? We have FOMC meeting minutes, but it's not real FOMC because it's not Fed rate decisions. So we'll have to just see what market gives us. This looks actually good because we priced in a 1 minute gap here on ES, but we'll have to see. Four, three, two, 1. Okay. It's gonna be a poor RR, but we'll take partial profits everywhere. 235. Nine lots. That's still not enough to trade on. Meanies. 250 now. So it's like 8 lots, 6, 7, 8. 30 seconds to see. Hopefully we don't just rip up and take the draw. Alright, so obviously didn't want to inverse there. Which hopefully we could just get a better risk reward instead. So we need to come down more now. Low key, what would be ideal would be ES comes and takes out this data low, or this market open low, sorry, make a bullish SMT out of it, fill the 5 minute on NQ, and then we pump higher. So it'll give us the best risk reward possible. Okay, we priced in a bearish candle there. So stops can be protected at this 1 minute low now, if we decide to break. But that risk reward will be horrendous. 250, fucking hell, dude. Uh-oh. Whatever. Still micros, 8 lots. NQ did not form bearish there. I'm just gonna look at NQ, I'll take it on this, or on MNQ. 5, 4, we're not even gonna inverse on ES, so it doesn't even matter. I don't like this, dude. Usually 1 minute confirmation comes immediately following, so. This is MNQ? I swear we formed bearish on a candle. Might be tweaking though. Uh-oh, I have to pee. Can we just print down, dude? I want a better entry. We're kind of not chop work, but it's like a weird accumulation that we're getting right at the zone where my entry would be, which isn't good, bro. We failed to inverse multiple times. Yes, I don't know what the fuck ES is doing. Let's do exactly what I wanted you to do. Wick out the data low, fill the 5 minute right here. Then we can rotate higher. This is barely a 5 minute low. I'm not gonna necessarily play into the we may break 5 minute structure to the downside, because even if we do, I'm not really gonna regard that. Okay, we made a potential SMT off this 1 minute low. Well, I got bruh. What would this risk reward be? Fuck, bro. Need a positive RR. I'm not down with this bullshit. Let's come down lower. I'm gonna pee really fast. 10, 9. There's no way we'll break there. Oh man. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we didn't inverse. Okay, let's walk through the chart again. Clear high time frame bias. I mean, now I'd say it's pretty bullish. I wouldn't say it's necessarily super clear, but we got the sweep recently, not too recently, but then we got the 5-minute change. 5 minutes are aligned. 5-minute retrace, yes. 1 minute confirmation on both the next to the chop. We're gonna, okay, we're gonna inverse here. The ES also has to inverse. Wait, what is the lots here? 233, it's still 8 lots. Maybe 7 now. 7 lots. Oh my god. Bro, that risk to reward is fucking horrible. I cannot take that shit. Oh my gosh, dude. You gotta be kidding me. Let's just pull back a little bit, please. And then I'll enter this. Just make sure NQ. Yeah. Come on, pull back. What is this? 227? 8 lots, 9 lots. Come down a little bit, bro. Come into the 1 minute gap, please. Might not get the entry, boys. We do have the 1 minute SMT as well. Oh, I'm in this. Stops at the body. Alright, we'll see how this plays out. We'll set partials. Set. Uh-oh. If we inverse the gap, we're toast, dude. Market's very volatile right now. I'm not a fan of that. Got all the confirmation though. And we got a 1 minute SMT. Let's just come up, please. Waited all this time for a fucking entry, dude. Come on, please. Stop rated, bro. Oh, can you pump? Stop edging me. Go up. This is really where my stop loss should have been. Really thought we would deliver, dude, after making a 1 minute SMT and then breaking. And then we had a beautiful wick there, dude. Please wick out those lows. See what Tyler did. He probably has stops at those lows. Guaranteed to the same shit though.
Helped me win the past 2 trading days, so I don't want to hear it from little unprofitable people who've never even passed an eval in their entire life. TJR, you can't trade? Nigga, did you not see the last 2 streams where we...
So he puts stops at these 1 minute lows here, and he literally is taking fucking horde RR. Really want price to wick. I'll see you boys in the next one. Really hope price wicks out where my stop should have been. I mean, I really think the body was a fine placement here just because, bro, price should not have came down and broke structure after this. But catch you boys in the next one. Peace.